Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Hit the like button and the way in, and let's start our live streaming for today. What's going on? We got NVOS, guys, is squeezing right now. NVOS are squeezing right now from the 86. We have a huge breakout for this trade. In the pre-market, guys, we have a huge pump for this one from the breakout, the 86. We already discussed NVOS in the pre-market live streaming around this breakout. Thank you, man. Thank you. Let's get right to it. Hit the like button and the way in, guys. Let us wait to everybody to tune in for today. Yes, NVOS looking pretty good because it's almost hitting the $1. We hit the 99 cents, so NVOS is strong right now. As we said, we did this update here for NVOS and other stocks early today. We went live around 1 p.m. CET, guys, as usual. We continue with our usual live streaming, the early one. As a promise, guys, even though we're traveling, we make sure that we cover the market live. There's no excuse, even if you are in the Atlantic Ocean, we could do our live streaming. There's no problem. PRC is not right now. Is not right to enter until we break the 16, brother. So if you enter before the breakout, this is what's gonna happen. Low volatility, the price will consolidate. There's a chance for a flush down. So it's not ready yet until we break the resistance. NVOS, everybody, broke from our resistance, the 86. We warned our hunter about this breakout in the pre-market. It was a bit light in the pre-market. It was here, guys. It wasn't active. But once we broke this resistance, everything changed. Everything changed for NVOS. We did a trade for XHG, but I closed this trade because it broke our support. However, NVOS kind of saved the day after we have this breakout. Someone asked about WOOF, one of our discipline hunter. He said this one moved big time. Yes, after the earnings, this one is moving crazy. Look at this. So for this one is going toward a major resistance now around the 415. After we break this resistance, we're gonna have almost the $5, and then we've got the 725. So this one could be good runner, guys, as long as we hold the current bottom, which is over the $2, and the other support is around the $3. So $2.37 bottom, support $3, resistance right now is around the 415. So yeah, we have XHG kind of broke the support, but we don't have a flush. So this one I'm gonna update the support here around the $1.02. So XHG is still on, guys. Lucy is still on. PRST not for now. Burrow is not that good, guys. SMMT looking good right now, guys. Breaking kind of the resistance here. The resistance was broken around the $8.33. Now it's going or heading toward the $10.47, everybody. So SMMT, I'm gonna put it on the list because it's moving. Burrow, some of you ask about Burrow. It doesn't look good right now because we got rejected around the 3. Now it's pulling back around the support, the 22. For now, FFIE looking interesting. I'm gonna put it on the list as well. DJT is about to break this current resistance. ONMD is okay. Burrow is kind of, yeah, not interesting for me for now. You have ADBP. I'm gonna take it from the list. It's not good. And Burrow, CRKN, this one, ASTS. There's many stocks I have to take them from the list. Let me just put them on the other list, like Burrow, ASTS. Maybe this one, yeah, I want to break this level. So I'm gonna adjust the level there and there. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, we just adjust our list for today. The stocks that we could trade and hunt for today. Anyway, so far so good, guys. We have NVOS hitting or almost hit the $1. This one is a slow grinder, so I'm gonna put it on the waiting list. XAG is still okay. SMMT, guys, is moving right now. We have a huge movement for SMMT. The breakout just happened right now. Yeah, on our live streaming on YouTube. SMT yesterday almost 300%, and now coming back from the red to green. But now we might get rejected, everybody. There. NVOS is pulling back because it hit the resistance technically around the 99. For now, we have a huge support around the 86 to hold. After that, we've got the other support over 75. So yeah, this one looking interesting play, guys. Really interesting play for today. NVOS is the strongest right now for the pre-market trade. After that, we have SMMT because it's strong. After that, XHG. Those three are the one. SMMT is moving as we said, guys. I have to adjust the support now over the 826. Free Tinker, Palantir, I'm gonna check it. Let me just check Palantir for one of our YouTube member. Thank you for the support, brother. Free Tinker, thank you for the support. Of course, Palantir is testing a major resistance now around the 22. Yeah, major resistance. We have a huge wick until there around the 22. So this resistance, I don't trust that much, to be honest with you guys. Around the 22, I don't trust that much. So for Palantir, we have to go on the big picture, guys, because the big picture is not bad. We've got support around the 2027. A major resistance to break is there around the 25. Okay, so we're still watching this one, Palantir. As we said, guys, we've got the 2566 as a major resistance to break for Palantir. 30.50 is the target, or $30.50 is the target. We need to hold the 20 as we said in order to break the 2566. So it's still bullish on the big picture, guys, for Palantir. Anyway, let's go back to NVOS, guys. We make sure to take profit. If we don't break right now, guys, and make sure to take profit for this trade. Maybe I enter again. So we might have an entry right now. We might have an exit instead. Yeah, 95. We might enter again if we broke the 98. Would be wise to exit right now with 10%. Again, guys, this trade we did adjusted levels on alert for it. We said the breakout is around the 86. And we broke after we finished our live streaming and the pre-market because the market was slow, and the breakout happened actually after we finish our live streaming on the early live streaming that we do 2 hours and 30 minutes every day. It broke here after we finish it by 30 minutes. So I have the entry here, and now is about to test and break again. So that's why I'm thinking about taking profit then entering again, because here the resistance and we might have another entry, or we do train stop instead. You see, we have a struggle, guys, for NVOS to break the 98. So it's wise to either have a train stop, and how we gonna do it? The train stop, we can do it around the 93. If we hold the 93, it means we gotta break and go toward the $1.11. Otherwise, if we broke, I'm gonna close it with breaking even, because our average price for NVOS is around 86.65. Okay, guys, hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open on YouTube, and 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open on Discord and Patreon. The link I just pinned it, guys, in the comment section, the live chat section. Good afternoon, John. Sorry, John, yesterday I don't reply on your requested stocks because, as I said, after I finish our live stream, even today I can't reply on your question because I will be taking my airplane. So it would be hard for me to reply on your question, brother. And of course, because next week I will be back home. So yeah, I'm gonna take the airplane back. So guys, after we finish our live streaming, this is urgent live streaming, guys, because I like I thought about just use this time to prepare and at least prepare for the airplane. So I managed to do this live streaming even though I don't have a lot of time. That's why after we finish this live streaming, guys, usually, oh man, we have a breakout for NVOS. Great. We have a breakout for NVOS. As we said, usually we do a unicorn hunt, guys, here for you guys. And of course, reply on the elite request questions. Okay. Always we do chart analysis update for our hunter on elite level. As you can see here, you can actually join our elite level by joining our Patreon and pick the elite level, and this is give you the access to live alert. What is mean you could ask me anything around stocks, whatever, level, entry, exit for them during the market hours. However, yesterday I couldn't reply on my brother John, one of our elite members, because as we said, I couldn't be live yesterday to reply on their question, and of course is the interconnection is kind of always breaking up. So the today will be the same today, just today, brother John, and next week will be resuming to reply on your question really fast, to reply on your requested stock really fast. Just today because I'm gonna catch my airplane back. Thank you for understanding, brother. Now NVOS, we're still holding this one because we did train stop instead. It's doing really good right now, guys. NVOS. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Today we're gonna have a huge action. Free thinker, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome. So we watching AMC NVOS, guys. We might close it at any time because we getting near our second profit taker, which is the $1.11. We have another pump from the resistance right now, 127. And this one could give us a really good juicy gain. But guys, you know what? It's better to take profit here because we expect a pullback anytime soon. Because we already have a huge jump in the pre-market, as you can see. So I might take my profit right now because the $1 is psychological level right now. So I might close this trade right now, guys, with 15%. Yes, I'm gonna close it right now because we might have a pullback. SMMT is pulling back as well. Yeah, getting near the $10.48, which is the resistance. XHG, guys, this one could reverse after the market opens, so we have to keep watching it. Woof, jumped again, but is low volume. So many of you asking about AMC, what's going on? AMC, everybody need to hold the $3.65. We broke this channel, so it's a bit weak. That's why we pulled back. Now we need to have a reversal or a breaking the $5.36 to make AMC squeeze again. So any price below this orange line, guys, is mean we're not ready yet. And of course, any price over the $3.65 is mean there's a chance for a reversal up. This is what's gonna happen for AMC, guys. We have to hold the current support. Could you review any meme stocks? Which meme stocks, brother? We cover everything. Any stock look good technically, we cover it. Meme stock, blue chip company, whatever. We cover everything. But it depends on the fundamental and the technical. If both have fundamental and technical for any stock, we're gonna cover it. Because here we try to make money, brother. It's not about meme stock. If meme stock is dying, I will not trade it. Simple as that. Z, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome. And thanks. GameStop will reverse from our support, as we said from yesterday video, 1990. We reversed 6%. This is good. Now we need to break the 2660 to go toward the 3145. This is it. And again, here, this is the rejection zone. That's why we have a green line, which is profit taking if you entered after the breakouts, just in case. Like what happened here, you see? We have a huge pump, almost 30%. Price reverse after that, almost 50% from the dip. Yes, after 3 days, I think. Now let us go to NVOS because it's still struggling to continue higher after this break. So we took profit on this trade, guys, because we already discussed it on our live streaming for today. NVOS was a really good trade. And it was slow. That's why we didn't watch it. We don't trade in the pre-market. We said after the breakout should be good. And I think we discussed it with the other stocks here in the US. I think we discussed it first once we went live for NVOS. Yes, here around 7. Yes, sir. We have Burrow, we have NVOS. We said the resistance is there. So NVOS was one of the stock that we suggest to watch after breaking the resistance. And let me just check. Yeah, XHG we discussed it, but didn't break. It was really slow in the pre-market. Okay, NVOS is pulling back as we suggest, guys, to exit even though we have the breakout. So I don't suggest to enter or hold. The entry was perfect around the 86. That's why we exited with 15%. XHG, we entered before the breakout and we took a bit of loss because the price broke the support and went down. We watched in the pre-market to break for a breakout from the 149. Unfortunately, we didn't have this breakout. Usually this has happened, guys. Sometimes you wait and you wake up early and the stock will never break. So usually we have really good trade in pre-market, but today we didn't. We have it right now. So it depends on the market, guys. There's always this question. Jesus, how, when we know this stock will jump? Nobody knows. We have to be prepared before the jump because if the jump happened, is already too late. So it depends on the stock, it depends on the right buyer and the right seller to sell in order to know what's gonna happen next. Otherwise, no wave. If there is no wave, you can't surf. LPA, LPA will never touch this stock, man. It's a gambling stock. A lot of gamblers gambled yesterday on this stock, guys. Went to almost 700% on 200K worth of volume. Are you kidding me? You know how this trade will work? This trade, if you traded yesterday on your broker and you get FOMO, you bought, even if you did like market order, you trigger around the 69 or you try to enter around the 69, mini hold, mini hold, mini hold, and the price may be triggered on you around the 320 because it will take time. When the stock is low on volume, there is no will be risky for the broker to initiate your trade. So it will take a bit of time in order to confirm that they will never uh, like have like lose money by give you the like the cheaper price. That's why they have a lot of slippage and the execution time will take a bit of time to execute. So it's really risky business for this stock. String picking, I predict the future. I predict the future is coming. What do you mean about that? Ah, because next level said everything is about the present. There is no future prediction. Exactly. Guys, we have a few minutes left on the market open. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Hit the like. Come on, show some support. This live streaming, it was on the last minute because it was really impossible for me to do this live streaming. But of course, there's always a solution. I found the solution and I did it anyway. So, guys, hit the like button on the way in. This is the least you can do to make our channel grow further and make our message go further. So guys, NVOS is pulling back, XHG is pulling back, SMMT is pulling back. So let us do our disclaimer because the market is about to open in a few seconds from now. Let me just bring everything out. How many minutes here? Less than 2 minutes. Guys, disclaimer for today. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And of course, We always do our live streaming every day, everyone. 30 minutes before the market open on YouTube and 2 hours and 30 minutes on Discord and Patreon to hunt for the pre-market gappers. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss the market and trade the market for Friday. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's see what's going on before the market open. If we got a gapper here, so that's it. We have NVOS, one of the top gainer that we exited from, and I'm gonna adjust the resistance there. We have support right now for NVOS to hold. If the market open, guys, and this one broke the 93, is mean we're gonna have a pullback toward the 86 and the 75. If we held, is mean this one will go toward the 111. SMMT, the same. We need to hold over the 826. Resistance now is 1048. XHG, we need to hold the $1 to break the 150. FFIE, on the other hand, kind of dicey here. Okay, FFIE, I will keep it later. Lucy, I'm gonna keep it here. Yeah, Lucy, we have to hold over the bottom, the 69. So let's get right to it, guys. The market is open right now, and let's see if we're gonna have another trade for NVOS for today. If it broke the 1.03 would be good. Otherwise, we're gonna flush down. Like SMMT at EC, like pulling back, then pulling back up. Let me just check if we got something interesting here. Burrow is going down, CRKN, still no reaction. So I'm gonna go back to NVOS because tested our resistance and pulled back down. NVOS is trying to break the $1 again, guys. We have a big seller just below the $1.03. That's why I have to struggle. XHG, well, what a disappointment for this stock. I have a high potential, high expectation for this stock, but yeah, it wasn't good. That's why it was wise to exit really early. Now I'm waiting. This one I'm not leaving it, guys, until we break the 150. This is the entry. Otherwise, I'm not entering. SMAT is pulling back, and NVOS tried to break the 103. We have two tests. NVOS, guys, be ready. This one could just give us another jump toward the 111 because we held that 93. This is the only one that looked good, everybody. This is the only one that looked good right now. Yes, Christian, NVOS, big one today, of course. Planet 3, yes, kind of slow, but at least we snatch one trade for NVOS. John, yeah, technically Monday. Yeah, technically Monday. On Monday in the morning, maybe I'm not gonna do early live streaming just for Monday because yeah, I would be on the road, of course. But Monday, like on the market open on YouTube, maybe we're gonna do it. And after that, you can ask me anything like in Monday, so I'll be home like after the market open. But before the market open and pre-market, yes, it would be hard for me to do the live streaming before that. After that, everything would be normal as usual. We're gonna do our live streaming as usual time. But yeah, from the next week, I will be back home. Let's go, guys. Let's go. NVOS didn't break the 103. SMAT reversed. This one didn't reverse yet. Lucy is pumping again, guys. Lucy is juicy. Lucy is juicy. Right now, we have a huge resistance to break around the 133. So Lucy is moving, guys. NVOS broke the support, guys. That's why we exited before the market open for NVOS. It was wise to exit. Now we gonna have a little test around the 86. If we held, there's a reversal will happen. Lucy getting near a major resistance around the 133. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Show some support. Hit the like. As we discussed, guys, AMC and GameStop, there is a chance for today because both of them are on the green side. Lucy is getting juicy, guys, getting near a major resistance. Now we might test the $1.33 and then we're gonna have a pullback. Huge pullback could happen around the $1.33. This is it. $1.19. GameStop, guys, GameStop is moving. GameStop, we have a nice action right now for GameStop. Oh, today could be the day, guys. Today could be the day. You know, I wish that GameStop and AMC doesn't squeeze today because I will not be live. I can't trade it. I can't trade it. So I will be FOMO. I will feel FOMO if GameStop actually broke this resistance and squeezed today. Because if we broke, guys, we might have at least 35% or more for GameStop for today. And this will be a big number. Let's see, let's see. We have, before this resistance, the 2660, we've got another resistance actually around this level, the 2415. AMC, the same, guys. We have a bit of reversal, but we might get rejected before that, before even the 5, but it's not visible enough, the resistance. But yeah, both of them looking good for today. NVOS is holding the current support. Lucy is pulling back. Okay, let's see. Let us. Oh man, as we said, guys, yesterday, NVIDIA have a reverse split 10 to 1. I didn't expect that, really. I expect 4 to 1, but this is 10 to 1. Is mean NVIDIA would be over the 100, would be around 110, around the 10th of June. And now it's 1,100. Dell, we've got bad news about the earnings. That's why we flushed. And we kind of reversed here. We kind of reversed. 135. 135. And the other one is here. Around the 104. We have the 80. So yeah, this one looking good, everybody. Not bad at all for Dell for a reversal. And if we go in a big picture for Dell, yeah, it's kind of good for a reversal because we pulled back 17%, guys. There's a chance for a reversal because Dell went to all-time high before the earnings. So now it's consolidate and kind of a correction because it was really on the top of the mountain. Let's see if we got another thing here. Nope, nothing. Nada, rien, la شيء. Okay. I'm gonna go toward my list. I don't want to waste time searching for other stocks. Yeah, NVOS is still looking good, guys. And Lucy, yes. So NVOS looking perfect for reversal. Look at this. 86, we held it tightly, perfectly. Guys, hit the like. We almost hitting the 100 likes for today. We almost hitting the 100 likes. I was speaking with like people I saw here in my vacation, Americans, and I give them like the question. I told them why European like people don't trade or invest, and the people in the United States invest more. Is it because United States get paid more, or United States people are more risk takers, or something like this? I think it's cultural thing, because here, as we said, guys, in Europe, they just enjoy their time by taking vacation, spending, eating out, doing whatever. And there's many vacation here in France alone. They love vacation, man. They love time off. NVOS looking perfect. Guys, today the pre-market, as we said, it was a bit slow. It was not normal because the day that I didn't do my live streaming was really slow. It was even worse, not slow, but stocks kind of have a fake out and pull back for all of them. So the day that I traded yesterday, it was good because we trade two stocks. Today we don't have a good stock because all of them didn't break. However, NVOS was good, but happened after we finished our live streaming on our Discord and Patreon. So what we learned here, guys, what we learned here in this kind of market, if the market doesn't move, we don't move. It's the same as a server. The server wait for the wave to happen or to come in order to serve the wave. Otherwise, you can't serve. But the difference between us and market maker insiders, they make artificial waves, so they can serve at any time and place. For us, we have to wait for the natural. The natural wave depends on many factors, so we couldn't know once the wave happened. We have to wait for the right wave to, of course, to serve it. NVOS, nothing much. SMT is pulling back, and XHG pulling back. Lucy is still holding. So yeah, we've got Lucy right now and the NVOS, guys. Those the only two that look good. And XHG, it could be good to reverse from the $1. So it's still there's a chance, to be honest with you guys. This one could be a little chance for reversal. But the only one that look good right now is NVOS. MNTS. Yeah, but really slow on volume. It need to break that level first, around the $1.01. NVOS, on the other hand, guys, is reversing right now perfectly from our support, the 86, and squeezing up. NVOS, guys, we might get halted up. I think we're halted. No, not yet. But it broke and reversed from the 86. What a crazy reversal, guys, it was. NVOS is squeezing, guys, toward the $1.11. And we might get halted. Let me just check the haltation system here. Okay, we've got DHAC, we've got BTBD, we've got VCNX. I will check if they are tradable or not. I will check. NVOS, I think, is got halted, guys. NVOS got halted. So for this one, yeah, light on volume. So I'm gonna pass this one exactly the same, this one exactly the same. So NVOS guys hit the scan and the halted stocks right now. NVOS held the 87 guys and went crazy, 16% already right now. And XHG, we might have a reversal for it now, guys. This is it. The same that happened for NVOS. We said the 87 should be the support, and this is what happened, reversal. John, thank you for reminding everybody to hit the like. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Assad, we already discussed AMC, brother. AMC, nothing changed from the technical that we discussed on our YouTube. We said the support is over the 365. We have a weakness after we broke this white line. We have to break the 536 to have a squeeze toward the 630. So nothing changed. The most important thing, guys, NVOS is the only stock right now that giving money, free money to everybody for NVOS. Now, guys, we might get unhalted over the $1.11, then squeeze down. So this one getting scary, risky because the market is slow and many people will be hungry to eat this one because there is nothing move. So a lot of people tune in to the same stock. That's why we have an haltation for it because we have a huge jump, more than 10 minutes in just few seconds. So you see what's going on. The markets, traders watching this one. And XHG, guys, we might have a reversal now from this bottom. Yeah, XAG, we might have the same reaction that happened for NVOS, it happened for XHG, pulling back, then reverse from the bottom. Yes, NVOS is halted. Yeah, this one could be a big mover for today. Man, imagine just slept 3 hours or 4 hours yesterday. Um, from 4 to 9. Yeah, I think 5. Yeah, yeah, 5 hours. Usually I sleep 10 hours or 9, man. So 5 hours. I slept only 5 hours, guys. Every day, 4 hours. Because I'm traveling and I try to seize the moment and just capture all the things. Because once you're traveling is kind of you want to use the time to discover the country and things like this, and there's a lot of things to do. So yeah, normally I sleep for 9 hours. Now I cut it to half, 5 or 4. So to be honest with you guys, sleep is number one for me, in order to recover and of course have focus, laser focus. Super. I will check it, brother, but we don't want to miss NVOS. SOBR, we have a resistance to break around the 43.35, brother John. This one could be good after we break here. We could have 16% or 15% around the 50 cent. After that, we've got the 60 cent, almost the 60. And after that, the 77. Support is 26. Okay, XHE got shorted right on this level. Yeah, we've got the seller, guys. We spotted a hidden seller right there around the $1.20. So they added their position here, guys. If they don't cover here, this one will be game over. $1.20, guys, big resistance. NVOS, guys, is still squeezing up 154 and now squeezing down. As we said, guys, this one will hold it up, then go down because we have a major resistance around the $1.11. We expect a pullback right now, guys. We expect a pullback. So the only one, guys, the only good trade for today is NVOS, to be honest. The rest is not that good. The rest is not that good. How everybody doing? Yes, how everybody doing? Yeah, now it's time for a pullback for NVOS. We have a big seller around the 120. Let's see if we make them cover again. XHG, guys, hitting a major support at the moment. I might have a little entry here for this one, for the last entry for this stock. If we don't reverse here, it's game over around the $1.02. NVOS, so we might have an entry if we pull back or if we broke the 120, but it's getting risky for this trade. Yeah, I've been in the Giro, brother. There's many stocks is not available, brother, on the Giro. So if you are in Europe, just make sure to join Trading 212 is better. You can have those stocks. I have the same struggle as you, brother, because if you live in Europe, a lot of stocks like this penny stock is not listed. BNAI is squeezing. We'll check it. NVOS is still squeezing up, guys. It's testing the 120. Yeah, BNAI is kind of testing a major resistance. But this one is really risky because it's light on volume. GameStop is pulling back because, yeah, it didn't break the 24.15. NVOS is still squeezing, guys. NVOS is still squeezing up. But it's getting risky, man. Here is getting risky for NVOS. Yeah, it's getting a bit risky now. I need a pullback for entry. Now I don't want to enter. Yeah, we need a pullback for NVOS, guys. NVOS need a pullback. John, I already checked BNAI. We said this light on volume, so it's a bit risky to enter on this trade. Man, I don't care about number one or number two. I care about if the stock is available or not, man. There's many stock is not available on the Giro. A lot, many. They just have the top 100 stock or 500. There's thousands of stocks listed. They don't have OTC market. They don't have penny stocks. They don't have a lot of stocks like that we trade that do like 100% or 500%. So it doesn't work. This is the most important thing for me, man. The most important thing for me, for any broker, is first having the availability to trade all the market, all the stocks. The second thing is have unlimited funds to open those trades. So for trading 212, have a limitation because sometimes penny stocks is limited to buy, like sometimes 100, 200, sometimes 1,000. You can't buy more than that because there's a regulation rule here in Europe. Anyway, XHG is kind of game over here. If we broke the support here, it's game over. Yeah, I think it's game over, guys, for XHG. Yeah, I think game over. We entered with small position, so I'm gonna exit again. Yeah, game over for this one. XHG, game over. So we've got NVOS, we have Lucy. So two stocks that looking good. Lucy, we have to hold over the 105 to break the 133 and going toward the 178. NVOS, we need a pullback. Now the pullback is happening because we hit a major wall around the 118. See you next week, brother. Of course, hologram. Johnny, I think you are in love with this stock. Yes, I know because this one did many jumps before. This one broke the support, brother. So I will keep my hands and money, everything away from this stock because it broke the support and now we have no bottom. So it is a risky business for this one. We need to break the 150 now to go toward the 174 and $2. And of course, this level, the $2.37. Yeah, 150, guys. 150 is the level that we have to break. Yeah, hologram John 150. You see here we have this trend is really bearish. So we have to break it in order to enter the bullish side and go toward the 174, $2 and $2.37. NVOS is still trying to break the 118. Lucy is still holding the 105. So Lucy could be good, guys. Lucy could be good for today. SMMT looking all right. Not bad for SMMT. Still holding the support. Okay, now is a pullback time, guys. Oh man, we have a gambler here. Someone want to play online poker. Wait a second, is it it is with real money or just as a game without risking money? I think there's a website to play games like this and you win money or lose it. Oh, brother. Interesting. Lucy still holding. NVOS is still holding around the $1.11. Okay. You need to be patient here, guys. Patient is the key for happiness. Yes. Patient is the key here. Yeah, for today, guys, we have a bit of slow market, really slow. Really slow market for today. So we have to be wise and never force the trade. Hopla. Okay, perfect. NVOS still nothing. Okay, we have to be patient, guys, because the market is pulling back right now. Patience is the key. Yeah, that's why it was wise, guys, is not for not entering again for NVOS, because you see what's happened here is pulling back from the $1.20. Lucy got shorted, man, and broke the support. Hologram, nothing much. XHG, nothing much. SMT is pulling back. Guys, we have a big seller came to the market, guys. Be careful. Everything's pulling back right now. Everything, I mean everything except BNAI that's squeezing right now. So BNAI is squeezed from the $3.11. However, the whole market is pulling back. Most of the stocks is pulling back. So PNAI, brother John, make sure to take profit now because we almost hit the first profit taken around the $3.75. The second profit taken is the $4.84. So BNAI is squeezing everybody. Alert, BNAI is squeezing. The rest is squeezing down. The rest is squeezing down. Yes, everything is pulling back except for BNAI, which doing all right now and testing our first support. Not pumped, but dumped. You mean dumped. Lucy just dumped. String picking, you mean dumped. Anyway, VNAI took all the energy, guys. VNAI is like the vampire, sucking all the volume and the gains from other stocks. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Don't forget to hit the like. And again, BNAI, this is a resistance, guys. Make sure to take a bit of profit. What we said. That's what we suggest because this one is gonna flush as well. BNAI flushing as well. Oh, brother, the short and having fun shorting mini stocks right now. Oh, no way. What a crazy market. Ah, pumped. Yeah, not pumped. Yeah. But swing picking, we don't say this, man. We say pumped or dumped. We don't use bomb in our trading. We don't use bomb. We never use bump here. Anyway, everything is bumping down or dumping down. So be careful, the market is pulling back hard, everybody. You have to use our term, brother, otherwise nobody will understand you. You make it complicated for us to understand you. But I like the way you think outside the box by finding another words to use. Imagine like string picking. Instead of say string picking, I will say string catching. It's like, come on, man. You have to say picking, not catching or holding or I don't know, like tickling. Imagine if I said string tickling. Doesn't work, man. You have to use the term that guitarists use, which is picking, not tickling. If I said string tickling, you think that I'm hitting on you or something. So always use the same word that the other people use. You can't tickle a string. PNAI pulling back, NVOS pulling back, Lucy pulling back. Okay, so now it's pullback market, guys. Let me just check if we have something is moving. LPAA or LPA is jumping again. Guys, watch for LPA because yesterday it did 600%. This really crazy stock could have the 1000, but I don't recommend anybody trading it because it's just 22K. It's gambling. Okay. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's hit the 100 likes. Today is Friday. And of course, many traders taking time off from trading for today. That's why we have light volume, light action for today. Maybe we're gonna have action in power hour, but like yesterday, but not every time. It was unique yesterday that we have stock that jumping like 600 and 200%. So the wise thing is, guys, to stay away from a market like this. Stay away and wait for the perfect timing for a good trade. This is how you be a good trader, is not trading every second, every day, but a trader who wait until finding the good setup. It's like dating, you know, you go out on a date with many girls, but you don't marry them, you know, you can't marry a girl. It could be a crazy girl. It could ruin your life. So you just date her just one day and then leave. You don't have to say anything. You just leave. Delete the number and just leave. Go to the next date. So you don't have to commit. The same with stocks, you know, you don't have to trade every day. You can't, it's impossible to have a date every day, you know, it's kind of annoying and kind of time consuming and energy consuming. The same with stocks. You don't have to trade every day. Take time off. If the market is not good, if the market is not beautiful, you don't have to do anything. You have to wait for the next opportunity. And this is the most hardest lesson a new trader can learn, because new trader think that by trading a lot make you get money a lot. This is kind of counterintuitive, is the opposite. The more you trade, the more you're gonna lose money, and you force kind of bad trade to get in. Anyway, guys, anyway, so BNAI is still holding the support. We have to wrap up our live streaming, guys. It was uh, it was good to trade with you guys for today, Friday. Even though we don't have time to do this live streaming, we made the time. There's no excuse. As we said, even if we are in desert, under volcano, whatever, we're gonna do our live streaming. Important thing is if we have internet connection. Share Maya, you are welcome, man. You are welcome. So yeah, BNAI is started to squeeze in again. But for me, I'm not trading it, guys. I'm gonna take time off from now. We did good trade on NVOS and bad trade on XHG. We already exited from this trade earlier, just after we broke the $1.25. You see, you have to exit early, guys, because if you didn't, you're gonna have a big bag and it would be hard to exit. 25% is really big. We just took 5% loss on this trade instead of 25. So always know when the trade is bad to exit early. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. See you by the next week. Next week, the live streaming will be as usual, 30 minutes before the market open. However, the live streaming, the early live streaming just for Monday next week, there's a big chance that we're not gonna do it. But starting after Monday, the time for live streaming on Bitcoin and Discord will be the same, 1 p.m. CET, or 2 hours, 30 minutes before the market opens. So join us, guys. The link in comment section below if you want to join our Discord and Patreon. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Enjoy the weekend with the family. See you back the next week.